In this video, I will show you how to create a Monzo bank account in UK. It's a super quick and easy process, and I'll guide you step by step, so make sure to follow along. To get started, open your browser and go to monzo.com. Right away, you'll see two main options: personal and business banking. If you're opening a regular account for everyday use, go with Monzo Personal. But if you're a freelancer or running a business, you might want to explore Monzo Business instead. In this video, we're focusing on the personal accounts. Click on that to continue, where you can explore all their banking options, including savings accounts, joint accounts, investments, and more. To begin the sign-up process, simply click the Sign Up button located at the top right corner of the homepage. That's where your registration begins. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. This will be used to create your Monzo account. Just type it in and hit Next. On the website, tap the Download Monzo button, and it'll take you straight to the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and tap I'm new to Monzo. That's how you start the in-app sign-up process. Now enter the same email address you used earlier. Monzo will send you a confirmation email. Open it, click the link inside, and you'll be verified. Then you'll be asked to enter some personal details like your UK address. Upload a valid form of ID and take a quick video selfie to confirm your identity. Make sure you're in a well-lit area and follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Once your identity is confirmed, you're all set. You'll instantly get a virtual debit card, and your physical Monzo card will be sent to your address within a few days. Now that you know how to open a Monzo account in the UK, you're ready to start exploring its features, from budgeting tools to instant spending notifications. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.